I'm your coach, Jonathan Russell, and today I'm going to show you how to make not an amateur, not a mediocre, but a professional layup. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to be a pro. Now how am I going to get that there? So I couldn't figure out how to get the basketball out of that extra part where it's stuck in the hoop. As you understand, that's something that's very mind-boggling. So I'm going to have to go on the internet. I think I'll type in YouTube. Nothing on the internet as I can see so far. Oh, what's this? Something about Riley card. Click on it. Wow. So after watching Mr. Carr's video, I thought that he had some pretty ingenious ideas as to removing stuck balls. But, unfortunately they failed. But I think that with a little more genius, we could use those same things and make it work. So, instead of a stick, I'm going to use a claw. Maybe I can pry it down. I'm going to try it. Here goes nothing. Well, that didn't work. Alright, so plan A didn't work too well, so let's try plan B. A rope. Now, Riley's experience didn't go too well, but I think I have a better chance at it. Here goes. On 3, in a pool. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, we're ruling out ropes. And now, time for plan 3. Projectile. Mr. Card used a ping pong ball as a projectile. But I'm going to do something a little more modern and a little more accurate. A dart gun. We'll see how that works. Come on! I'm going to fire 3 darts, and maybe, just maybe, they can take out the ball. Yeah! Oh, I missed. One more. One more. Not looking good. Third and final. now I'm going to do something that Riley never thought of. Smashing towards it by driving an object at it at 90 miles an hour. Maybe the explosion would cause the vibration, which would loosen the ball. To drive into, I'm going to use this plasma car, and I will be piloting. Let's see how planned he goes. Alright, here I go. I'm going to go speeding into the bathtub.
Y'all ready for this?
I've tried 4 things already. Gripping it down with a claw, pulling it down with a rope, shooting it with a gun, and running into it with the plasma car, trying to knock it down. But none of them worked. I think now all that's left is to do a simplest thing ever thought. Just shake the court until it comes down. Ready? Still up there. Why can't I get it down?